Exercise 8A. Question number 1. Express each of the following as percent. So simply the question is given, you have to express the given questions as percent. So as percent, whenever we are converting, that means we have to multiply 100 and we will put a percent symbol in the last. So the first question is what? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 100. So 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 8, 2 remaining, 0 will become 20, 4 5 ja, 25. Sorry, 4 5 ja, 20 by mistake. Then 3 into 25, 75, then last percent. So 3 by 4 as percent is 75%. Okay, so second you can solve. Then third one is 0.025. So the same process, 0.025 into 100. Now after decimal we are having 3 decimals. Okay, so first I will write 25, then 1 2 3 means 1 2 3 along with 1 into 100. So 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. 25 by 10, 25 by 10. So 5 5 ja, then 5 2 ja. So 5 by 2% is required answer. Okay, so question number 1 you can solve. Question number 2. Express the following percentages as fractions and as decimal numbers. Okay, so the percentages are given to us, then we have to convert them into fractions and decimals. Means 7 1 by 2%. So first convert this mixed fraction into improper form. So 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15. So 15 by 2%. Okay, so now percent is already given, that means 15 by 2 into 100, because when we are converting percent into in another quantity, whenever we are converting percent in another quantity, so we have to divide by 100. Okay, so now 5 3 ja, then 5 20 ja. Okay, then the final answer is 3 divided by 2 and 20 40. So in the fraction form 3 by 40 will be the required answer, while for the decimal form 7 1 by 2 means what? 15 by 2%. Okay, so 15 by 2%. Now 15 by 2 into 100. Now we have to convert this in decimal form, no? So simply you can write this as 50 by 200. Okay, now you can convert this, you can divide 15 by 200, so you will get decimal answer. Then you can multiply by 5 by 5, so 15 5 ja 75, and 200 into 5 will give you 1000. Now 75 by 1000, 3 zeros are there, so you can write this as 0.075. This topics you have studied earlier, I think, so it's not very tough for you people. Simply you can divide directly, or you can do this one, you will get the same answer. Okay, then question number 2 you can solve, I think all the questions are same. Then question number 3, what per question number 3 is what percent is. So simply we have to calculate what percent is. So the first question is 16 hours of 2 days. So now we have to convert this 16 hours as a percentage form of 2 days. So again the same thing, hours and days both are not same, you have to convert. So simply, as you know, 1 day equals to 24 hours. Okay, 1 day equals to 24 hours. That means 2 days equals to 48 hours. Okay, now 16 hours of 2 days. So simply first we will write 16 hours divide by 48 hours. Okay, same unit get cancelled, then 16 1 ja, 16 3 ja. So we got here 1 by 3. Okay, now in percentage form that we have to convert, so you can perform like this, or you can also write just like 16 hours divided by 16 hours divided by 48 hours into 100. So this hours same unit, so get cancelled, then 16 1 ja, 16 3 ja, 100 by 3%. So this is your required answer. Okay, so one more question. 600 gram of 5 kg. So the first thing is that gram and kg both are different. So as you know, 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So 5 kg equals to what? 5000 grams. Okay, so now 600 gram. First we will write 600 gram divided by 5000 gram into 100. So 0 and 0, 0 and 0 get cancelled. Then this 0 and this 0. Now 5 1 ja, 5 12 ja. So the answer is 12%. Means 600 gram is 12% of 5 kg. Question number 3 you can solve. Question number 4. Find the value of. Find the value of. So 5% of rupees 350. 5% of rupees 350. So the first 5% can be written as 5 upon 100. Okay, 5% can be written as 5 upon 100 into 350. So this 0 0 get cancelled. Then 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Okay, so finally 35 by 2 rupees. So 35 by 2 rupees is the 5% of 350. Okay, then one more question. Last one. 33 1 by 3% of 27 meter. So the first 33 into 3 99 plus 100. So it is 100 by 3. Now percent is there, means into 100. बिकॉज परसेंट साइन होता है जब तो नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 100 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है इंटू 27. सो दिस 100 and 100 गेट कैंसल्ड. 3 1 जा, 3 9 जा. ओके, सो फाइनली 9 मीटर इज रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 you can solve. Then question number 5 I will solve now.